Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Google Antigravity error. There was an unexpected issue setting up your account. So if you're getting this error in Google Antigravity, there was an unexpected issue setting up your account. Please try again later. Or if you're getting the error, there was an unexpected issue setting up your account. We apologize for the inconvenience. Please try again later. Sign in with a different account. So if you're getting this error in Google Antigravity, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to connect to a VPN. So you can install any repeated VPN such as NordVPN, ProtonVPN, ExpressVPN, SurfShark etc. And then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different region or country than your current location, and then you can check. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Next fix is to try using mobile or cellular data via hotspot and then check. This fix has also solved the issue for many players. So just try using mobile data or cellular data via hotspot and you can check. Fix 3 is to, for Mac users, completely close the anti-gravity and then delete all the anti-gravity data on your Mac device. These are the path. You will delete all this data related to anti-gravity and then clear Chrome data for Google. So open Chrome, click on this 3 dot and then click on settings. Then go to privacy and security. Then click on third party cookies. Then click on see all site data and permission. Here type anti-gravity. And then next to antigravity.google, click on this trash icon and then click on delete. Next search for google.com. Look for the google.com. Here it is. And next to google.com, click on this trash icon and then click on delete to delete it. And then just restart your Mac. It is important. Just restart your Mac and then reinstall anti-gravity from the antigravity.google website. I will provide this link in my video description. And then launch it and then log into your account and check. This fix has also solved the issue for Mac users, so you can try this. Now if still your problem is not solved, then just wait for Google to fix the problem. So wait for some hours and then try to log in and then check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Google Antigravity error. There was an unexpected issue setting up your account, or there was an unexpected issue setting up your account. We apologize for the inconvenience. Please try again later. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.